How I find calmness for this noisy world. You don't ever wake up and before your eye clear, life don't shout for your ear? You don't ever feel say everywhere loud, everybody they rush, but your mind just dey tired? You don't ever dey smile outside, but inside you dey scatter, like say noise don't fool your soul? My person, I know that place. This world no dey rest, problem dey talk, bills dey shout, fear dey knock door every night, social media dey scream, expectation dey push, pressure dey weigh chest. But one day, I stop, I breathe, I listen, and I learn say calmness no dey come when life quiet. Calmness dey come when God enter your noise. Because even inside storm, God no dey panic. Even when waves dey rise, He still dey sit. I learn say peace no be absence of trouble. Peace na presence of God. When I begin to drop my worries for His hand, my heart begin rest small. When I stop trying control everything and trust Am, noise reduce. No be say the problem disappear, but my spirit find balance. Bible talk for John 14:27 say, make una mind rest, because na my peace I give una. My peace different from the one wey the world dey give. Make una no fear or allow anything worry una mind. That peace no dey shout, e no rush, e no force, e dey whisper, I dey here. So if today your mind dey loud, your heart dey heavy, make you pause. No run, no panic, no give fear microphone. God still dey in control. He never lose grip, He never sleep. Breathe again, pray small, trust deep. Rise with calm confidence, walk with quiet strength, move like person wey know say God dey hold am. And when peace enter you, noise no go rule you again.
This na Greywood Whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.